The reason your coffee tastes flat has nothing to do with your beans. This electric kettle was sent to me, and it's genuinely earned a permanent spot on my counter. The secret is in the pour, and this kettle makes it effortless. Most kettles pour too fast and too heavy, and when you lose control of your pour, you lose control of your flavor. If you're doing pour over at home, that matters than most people realize. This is the Gooseneck Kettle. One touch is all it takes. It heats up fast, under 5 minutes, and shuts off automatically so you're never babysitting it. While it's heating up, dripper goes on the coffee cup, filter in, grounds in. This is your entire setup right here. Clean, simple, minimal. Now watch this. That gooseneck spout gives you a slow, steady, controlled steam exactly where you want it. And look, it's already starting to bloom. See that? The bloom right there is what unlocks the full flavor from your coffee. You only get that with a controlled pour. That is what your regular kettle cannot give you. Then you finish it slow, working outward, letting the water do exactly what it's supposed to do. The inside is completely stainless steel. No plastic ever touches your water ever. The wide mouth opening makes it easy to fill and quick to rinse. And one thing worth knowing, just dry it out after each use and you will never have an issue with it. If you already have outgrown your basic setup, this is the upgrade that actually makes sense. My morning routine feels completely different now, and honestly, the coffee tastes better too. If you want a kettle that heats fast, pours beautifully, and actually looks good on your counter, this electric kettle is absolutely worth it.